My name is John Rosen. I'm the owner and operator of Segway Fort Lauderdale and Jetski FL, and I'm here today to tour you around my company and show you how to make the absolute most out of your time in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Follow me. You guys ready to go jet skiing?
Yeah! Let's go!
You can do an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. We're in the middle of the Venice of America right now, home to 45,000 mega yachts come out of here annually, and we're going to the ocean. We just caught up with Chantel with a sexy S. We're on the 10-mile full city tour. We're about to go over the 17th Street Causeway Bridge. And now it's time for the Segway food tour on Las Olas Boulevard. It's my favorite tour because I love to eat. It's never too early, never too late. We stop at 3 different restaurants. We have a big selection, different kinds of food. If you're gonna come hungry, you'll leave full. Right now we're at the Boathouse at the Riverside Hotel. Beautiful waterfront dining. Let's eat.
Hey guys, welcome to Hollywood Beach. My name is Morgan. I've been on the beach here for about 10 years and been with Segway Fort Lauderdale's for a couple of months. Happy to be on the team.
I hope you enjoyed everything you saw today. Thanks again for watching. As you saw, to recap, we have the nature park tours, the food tours, the 5-mile yacht mansion tours. We got the full city. We have jet ski rentals and tours. I just got to show you one more thing though. Hold on a second, guys.